Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to join custom servers in Minecraft on Xbox. Firstly, log into your server control panel and locate the server IP address and port number. Keep this information ready for use in Minecraft. Now open your Xbox and then go to Minecraft. Or Windows device, open Minecraft Bedrock Edition. From the main menu, tap Play. Then navigate to the Servers tab and scroll to the bottom and click Add Server or Connect to a server depending on your version. Now in the server name field, enter any name you like, and in the server address field, pass your server's IP address, and in the port field, enter your server's port number, usually 19132. After filling in the details, click Save or Submit, and your server should now appear in your servers list selected and click Join Server. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.